National Secretary ka All India Trinamool Congress u Abhishek Banerjee ula Khot yak National People's Party dak National Puppets Party ka bomot ka party ka basapanyat hakiway pat ki Conrad. Kani kajing kran u Abhishek ka long shisngi hadin ba Conrad ke sangwa u National President ka NPP bot u Menteri rang ba ka Jela Meghalaya u bala ong baki noyelam ka AITC kin sami no na ka party tang hadin ka election MLA arja atulai. U Abhishek ula ong baka long ka basngol ngo bakat u Menteri rang ba u don por ban sngap yaki khana bam shisha na yo na hat.
So with all due respect, extreme grace and humility, I would thank him for believing in market rumors like he allegedly claimed. It's very unbecoming of a chief minister to believe and listen to what the market agents and the market rumors are, and you hardly found time in the last 5 years to stand by the people of your state. So if you're only talking bad about the people of the state, you're ending up belittling the people of Meghalaya, you're ending up denigrating the people of this very state, you're ending up trash talking about your own colleagues. That is extremely unbecoming of a chief minister. So I can only tell him to concentrate in this campaign. Now NPP no more is National People's Party, it has become National Puppets Party. It is established, and it's only a matter of time when this My Development Alliance government is ousted and a true government which will work towards the all-round development of a state is established. It's only a matter of time. This proves that he is perplexed, he is bewildered, he is scared, and he is rattled.